Hi, this is Rob Yates, and this is the video for Classwork 2 of Unit 6. Make sure you put your first and last name at the top of the page. And what period you have math. It says Lenny and George want to raise as many rabbits as possible, and so they have a few options to consider. They could start with a large number of rabbits, or they could raise a breed of rabbits that reproduces faster. How do you think that each of these options could change the pattern of growth? Which situation might yield the largest rabbit population after 1 year? A. To help answer these questions, model, with each case below, a table for the first 5 months. Case 2 is start with 10 rabbits and each has 2 babies per month. Case 3, start with 2 rabbits, each pair has 4 babies per month. Case 4, start with 2 rabbits and each pair has 6 babies per month. Which case would appear to give Lenny and George the most rabbits after 1 year? And how many rabbits would they have in that case? All right, let's take a look here. In our first case, we have 10 bunnies, and they can each have 2 bunnies apiece. So for period 1, they would have 10 bunnies times 2, which we know equals 20. And then in the second month, those 10 bunnies, 20 bunnies rather, would have 2 again, which would be 40. The pattern, as you can see, is 10 times 2 as many times as there are months. In this case, 80. Well, we're starting to run out of space, right? I could write 10 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and I could get 160. Or, for instance, on the 5th month, I could write, it's my understanding this thing's not supposed to move when I have it on the pen, but 10 times 2 to the 5th, which I'm going to let you figure out. It'll be about 320 unless I'm making. And you want to continue that pattern. 10 times 2 to the 6th. 10 times 2 to the 7th. I'm not going to answer either one of these. You need to fill in the table to get credit for this. Let's switch colors for the next one. All right. So here we have 2 bunnies, and they're kind of like super bunnies. They can have 4 babies in a month. 2 times 4, last time I checked, that was 8. Next month, 2 times 4 times 4 again, well, that's 32. 2 times 4 times 4 times 4. 32 times 4 is 128. Sorry, that's not much of an 8. Two times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. That's 512. 2 times 4 to the 5th power That is 2,048. Again, I'm not going to do all of these for you. Here's your pattern. 2 times 4 to the 6th. 2 times 4 to the 7th. 2 times 4 to the 8th. 2 times 4 to the 9th. 2 times 4 to the 10th. 2 times 4 to the 11th. And 2 times 4 to the 12th. Write down those numbers. We are especially interested in this last number. All right. Here we got some super duper bunnies. In this case, it's 2 bunnies, and they can have 6 babies a month. Well, 2 times 6 is 12. 12 times 6 is 72. 72 times 6 is 432. 432 times 6 is 2,592. 2 times 6 to the 5th power is 15,552. All right, let's look at each of these because I want to talk a little bit about, you're going to go ahead and, fill this out. 2 times 6 to the 6th, give me a number. 2 times 6 to the 7th, give me a number. 2 times 6 to the 8th, give me a number. All the way down to the 12th, because we're interested in what 2 times 6 to the 12th power equals, and what